Hey foodies, today we're going to make American cuisine, which is buffalo chicken wings, and here's our ingredients. So foodies, today we're going to mix our all ingredients. So we're going to mix. So we're all set, and we're going to dip our chickens or the chicken wings here on our flour. So for this, we're done coating our chicken wings with our flour and our spices, and we're going to fry it here on our heated oil. So for this, we're going to fry our coated chicken wings here on our heated oil. Our chicken wings is already cooked, and we're going to get our plate with towels. Foodies, we're done frying our chicken wings, and next we're going to make our sauce. So foodies, we're going to start doing our sauce of our buffalo chicken wings. So let's start putting our butter. So we're going to put our pepper, then the garlic powder, next we're going to put our hot sauce or our sriracha. Foodies, we're done making our sauce, and now we're going to combine our chicken wings and our sauce to make buffalo chicken wings. Foodies, we're done making our chicken buffalo wings, and here's it.